this condenser fan motor is running backwards. It's supposed to be blowing my glove out, but look, it's sucking it in. And look, I'm gonna get my thermal gun over quick. I'm gonna show you how hot the coil is. It didn't shut off. Look at this. It's like 83 degrees out here. Cooking. That's gotta be fixed. I'm surprised it ain't shutting off on her head pressure. What kind of switch they got on here? 300? We're gonna see what it's reading. There it go, it shut off. Yeah, that liquid line hot. I'm gonna hook my gauges up and see what it's running at. Somebody got it backwards. The condenser fan motor running backwards, so I gotta flip the leads around. It's a fairly new motor. It's got a call for cooling right now. Making sure I don't got both on the shop. Nothing, 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 nothing. Good. Take a picture. Black go blue, red go white. Yeah, that reverses the rotation right there. Black go blue. Put it back on. I was supposed to go. So, cut this. Oh yeah, motor hot. Surprised it ain't burned up or no. Alright, let's flip these. So orange and orange, yellow to yellow. Let's do it. Turn it the other way. Orange too. So they got yellow going off. They got orange going to yellow, so I'm gonna flip it the other way. I'm gonna put orange to orange and yellow to yellow. Yeah, because they got, that was correct. I might have wired this thing wrong. Hold up. Look at this. Brown. Then they had black going to. I might have not even had to take the top off. This is 24 volts. So why did they even have 24 volts? Let's look at this again. They had the black going from the motor to the 24 volts. Hold up. Is this 120? Well, that's one leg. That. This coil, this can't be rated for no 120 volts. I'm trying to see a sticker on it. Let's see, because I think, let me double check. This is an FFC 210. Let's see what this rated for. Okay, so yeah, it is 120 volt pressure switch. So they just wired the fan up wrong. So I'm gonna put it back on. So I got yellow to yellow and orange to orange now, so that should be the correct orientation. Put some zip ties on it, and I'm gonna put it back on. And it should go the right direction. 10 minutes. I don't want it too long. Tell you what, that's what I'm about to do is put a little short to it. Right here. Much easier. Alright. Before I do that, I need some tape. Let's take this off. Lord Jesus. Alright. God has brought me a mighty long way as a technician. When I first started school, I didn't even know how to turn a wrench good. I struggled a lot coming up in the field, but in due time, God constantly molded me and shaped me and helped me become better as a tech. Yep. God did that. Hurry up. That's how it gotta go. Now let's put the top back on. put the screws back in and see what happens. Edited, so you'll get to see if I messed up or not. You'll see if I messed up or not once I turn the unit on. Up here. And then dang, how did it go? Black went to blue and red went to white. Red to white, black to blue. Red to white. And I'm gonna see what happens. Red to white and black to blue. Let's see what happens. We fixed it. We fixed it. Now, it's working how it's supposed to.